Cybersecurity isn't just a tech issue anymore. It's a boardroom conversation. And with generative AI crashing onto the scene, that conversation just got a whole lot more urgent. On one hand, GenAI is a game changer. But on the flip side, it's also rewriting the playbook for cyber threats.
They usually think that their business can come back in a day. That's the big gap that we have to bridge.
So when it comes to cyber risk and security defenses, especially against new age AI-driven threats that perhaps haven't even materialized, how do you think CISOs can actually demonstrate ROI?
In the traditional businesses, ROI is all about profit generation and revenue and things like that. But in the cybersecurity, it's about loss prevention.
That's the world we are dealing with, and that's what is scary.
Boards have to be agile, they have to stay informed and be part of the entire decision making of cybersecurity. The playbook from before really won't cut it. It has to be absolutely agile, keeping in times with GenAI.